Hello, we're back with episode number 5. This is our update for We Bought a Fixer-Upper. My 9-year-old daughter is our camera woman today. This is her first time. She's giggling nonstop. It makes it more entertaining, right? Okay, hold it steady, girl. All right, so our latest update is with the basement. The walls still have to be built. It's going to be a few more weeks before they can start digging, because as soon as they dig, they're going to put the walls in with the basement. We'll get that process rolling. In the meantime, this coming week, they are going to be working on our bonus room over the garage. In the meantime, I want to show you, we got some trees cut down back here a while back, and if you look back at our previous videos, you can see this really opened things up big time. I mean, you just have a much better view of the water. It's letting a lot more light into the house. It is wonderful. We have enjoyed it. Let's go take a look at what we're going to be doing in the frog. You got it? All right. So what we're going to be doing here is when our builder comes in this week, he's going to be taking this part out, extending it, putting in a dormer, and we're going to have windows all along the side right here, which is why we had to clean out this entire room. If you saw this room yesterday, you would not believe how much stuff we have gotten out of here. But luckily, this is a short-term thing that we don't have to worry about too much. So when they get this going, we'll be able to move all of our stuff back in here and then start the process of moving down in the basement. That's going to be tons and tons of fun, let me tell you. So anyway, we'll do another video next week to see what the progress has made with this room. So wish us luck. We'll see you then.